Picture yourself in the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. The Cherokee has your back on all your adventures. Its generous cargo capacity, safety technology, off-road capability, and passenger-friendly interior infuse each journey with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, satellite radio, power liftgate, remote engine start, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps. Hit the trail in comfort and refinement in the Cherokee. Test drive it today.